and soared. 10 plus students from Gradeup scored under top 10 in GATE 2021. Let's take a look at them. जैसे सही प्रेप के साथ इनकी लाइफ सेट हो गई, आपकी भी वैसी हो सकती है। Avail live classes and daily study plans, expert faculty, best study material from Gradeup today and get a step closer to achieving your dreams. क्योंकि Gradeup के साथ सही प्रेप है तो लाइफ सेट है।
Yes, welcome back guys to India's largest e-learning platform Gradeup, and I welcome you all on this session guys. Yes, Vaibhav Kumar, good evening. So guys, in this session I will be telling you all the details related to your GATE 2022 paper, the exam dates, the exam syllabus, the subject orders, the number of hours you shall study, the way you shall study, the textbook you shall follow. Each and every detail I am going to give you today. So this session is going to be really very useful guys. So quickly like, share and subscribe so that you can also get the information about all other such sessions as well, and also all friends also got to know these benefits. Yes, Nambi Rajan, good evening. So guys, every question of yours will be answered here, that when is your exam date and what are the syllabus of your exams, what are the weightages, as well as the sequence of subjects order, number of hours you shall go for. Ramesh, good evening. So let us start this session guys. So guys, we are starting the session now. So first of all, a small detail about me, and these are the details about me. These are my areas of expertise. Other than this, in paper 1 I take basics of project management, as well as material science. So these are two subjects from paper 1 as well. And my dear, after that I would like to give you information related to the MMC. Or in May month then we will be starting the session. This paper already have been completed now. ESC paper 1 subject test 2 on 12th May, HPCL management trainee, that is on 16th May, ESC paper 2 subject test 19th May, ESC paper 2 subject test 26th May, HAL design trainee on 30th May. My dear, these two are for technical paper. Okay, so these are the weightages and the time will be given to you. Okay, Sunny, good evening dear. So we are starting the session without any delay. So my dear, first of all, the expected dates of GATE 2022. As you already know, GATE exam is conducted in the first and second weekend of February every year, and previously ESC prelims was conducted in the first weekend of January. But ESC 2021 due to COVID situation has been delayed, and because of that delay, definitely the things are going to be delayed for other exams also. But GATE was conducted on the right date, so we can expect the GATE 2022 will be also on the right date. So the expected dates are going to be in the September month. The forms for GATE are coming out. They will be giving you minimum 1 month time to fill the forms. You will be having a chance to appear for 2 papers. One is your core like mechanical or civil or EC or EE, and one will be optional paper, that will be XC for mechanical, environmental science for civil peoples, likewise for other branches as well guys. And this is going to be for request to change examination city. The dates are going to be from November 2nd week to November last week. Then availability of admit card is from the 2nd week of January. Exam date is 1st and 2nd weekend of February. And my dear, March 3rd week is going to be the exam result. Basically results is coming always after 15th of March. So that is the tentative date for your examination guys. So you can see, you will be thinking that sir, a number of months are pending, but my dear, time flows like this. Up to June, July, you will be feeling a lot of time is there. In August, students are becoming serious for the preparation. Then September, October comes and then student feels I will not be able to do this year. So guys, as I said, once the result of 2021 came, the countdown for 2022 begins. That is the point you always remember. Okay, Nambi Rajan sir, how much marks is needed for MTech Thermal from IIT Madras? Dear, if I tell you about score, you will be requiring more than 800 score for that. Okay, and more than 750 chances are there, but more than 800 surety is there. Okay, I'm saying in terms of marks, in terms of score, because marks are not certain every year. Like if paper is coming tough, the marks will reduce. Like previously, before 2011, 65 were the highest marks in GATE, but right now 94, 95 are going to be the highest marks because paper is coming easy. I will be showing you the highest marks achieved in the last 3 years as well, the number of candidates who were giving the GATE exam from last 3 years as well. So every information I am having with me and I'll be giving you for this session. So don't miss this session. This session is going to be obviously life changing for you, because now the countdown for GATE 2022 begins. Because my dear, every exam require 9 to 12 months. Like GATE exam is requiring 9 to 10 months minimum for a good preparation. So if 9 to 10 months are required, that is the only time pending with you. Once you are going to be delayed from here, my dear, you are going to lose something for sure. Asutosh, how score is calculated? Dear, for that formula is given on the website of GATE. You can see that formula, but in general it is calculated based on giving 1000 marks, 1000 score to the topper marks. Like if topper is at 91, he will be getting 1000 GATE score, and relative to that others are going to be given the scores. Okay, yes, so these are the important dates. Next, my dear, third year. You know that third year was eligible from 2009 to 2011. Then from 12, third year was not eligible. So I myself have given the GATE exam for the first time in my third year. And after that, third year were not able to give that exam, not eligible to give that exam. Now from last year, once again, third year is going to be eligible. So my dear, I will suggest you that if you are in third year, you must go for this GATE examination. Mohammed Safar, sir, can I apply for GATE ME exam and GATE XE paper in? Yes, dear, you can definitely go for both the exam. Even this time, many students have done well in both the examinations. So this is the beauty this time, that you can go for both the exams simultaneously. If you score good in XE paper, you will be eligible for MTech at many IITs, because many new IITs have made XE branch to be eligible for their courses as well. So it is definitely going to be a good idea. Robin, good evening. So I already told you that, my dear, as now third year is eligible, if you can go for ME paper, CE paper, whatever your core branch ECEE is, that is going to be a wonderful thing. But still, if you think that, sir, that big syllabus we cannot go for this third year, we want more time for that, then I will suggest you at least go for a serious preparation for XE paper. Okay, because these paper can secure, they can secure your MTech seats at least. And MTech at IIT is there with the XE paper. You cannot go to NITs. So obviously you are getting a very good position with XE. You are eligible for NITI Mumbai as well. Okay, so if you are going to prepare very well for XE paper as well, you are going to get a security of MTech at least. Sir, how many are go to qualify? Dear, very less number of students are qualified every year. I will say 10 to 15%, because when you find out percentile, 91, 92 percentile are the last passing marks, not more than that are going to be qualified. From 2 lakh, 10 to 20,000, 10 to 15,000 are going to be qualified candidate. Dear, minimum score, if I say that, okay, let us say in terms of score, if you are getting more than 450 GATE score, then you will be getting the admission in some of the poor NITs, minimum at least. Okay, like you can go for NIT Jalandhar, NIT Hamirpur, NIT Jamshedpur in the less number of marks. Okay, these NITs are taking at less number of marks, definitely. Okay, yes. So my dear, one more thing I would like to say, that in second and third year, these are 2 years where you are going to study the major core subjects, major core or technical subject, major core or technical subjects, major core or technical subjects. So my dear, second and third year, major core and technical subjects you are going to study. That's why I say this is going to be the right time for your preparation. And if you're going from second or third year, the best thing is you will be getting proper time, more time than others. So whatever be the problems coming due to your college, because many times some issues are coming, like some mid-sems are there, some project reports are there, some companies are coming. These kind of things are not going to disturb your preparations if you are going from little bit earlier, because when you are starting from early preparation, these kind of things are not going to make you much disturbed, because you are getting more number of days, more number of months, and as more time you are getting, you may revise your subjects a number of times. Vaibhav, XC paper is engineering science papers. Basically in XC paper, what peoples are doing, for mechanical students, you are getting to give two gate papers. One is from ME branch or P&I branch, and then along with that paper you can go for XC as well. In XC you need to go for only two technical subjects and engineering mathematics and aptitude. So in place of doing complete syllabus of mechanical, you can go for two subjects. Like let us say you are going for fluid mechanics and thermodynamics, or you are going for fluid mechanics and SOM, or you are going for thermo or SOM, or you are going for material science or thermo. Likewise, you will be choosing any two subjects, and that selection can be done even at the time of examination. It is not like you need to select the subject before that only. You can select the subject even at the time of exam, and 35 marks for one subject will be there in technical part. Rest 30 part will be for maths and apti. The number of candidates for XC paper are slightly lesser, so even if you are going to qualify the exam, your rank will come under 500. But if you want to go for MTech admission through XC paper, as score is valid for 3 years, then my dear, you need to score under 100 rank, and many IITs are taking from XC score. NITI Mumbai is taking from XC score. It is difficult to go in NITI Mumbai using the ME score, because you have to be under top 1000. But yes, from XC it is going to be little bit easy. I will say very easy. Yes. So Robin, how much hours required in a day for gate preparation, sir? I am having online class of 6 hours. Robin, I will suggest you that there is no fixed timing for that. It depends on students to student. Some students are going for so much effective preparation that their 2 hours are going to be enough, and some are doing very bad level of preparation, their concentration is not good, they may have to go more number of hours. So for this case, I always used to give a small story in the classes. I say to the student one thing, that when I ask you that is it your dream to go into IITs or NITI Mumbai? Is it your dream to go into PSU? Is it your dream to go into engineering services examination? Student every time says, yes sir, this is our dream. It is not only dream, it is our will as well. चाहत है ये, चाहते हैं हम ऐसा करना. So my dear, when they say this is our will, this is our chahat, then I say, my dear, that for will, for chahat, for love, peoples are doing anything beyond their level. They do this thing as well. You know this thing, that they just cut their, you can say, nerves as well for the love. Then my dear, this study is not asking that much. It is something you can give as maximum as possible. If you see your parents, my dear, they are doing everything for you without any much expectation, and when they were doing for you, like you have seen your parents, they were giving from your childhood for you, they are providing you everything, the level best they can give you. They never think of that, how I can save money from the fees of my children. They never have written that this is the cost this year they have spent on you. They never write this. Why? Because they love you, my dear. And whenever we love someone, efforts are countless. So if you really want to go to PSU, if you really love to go to PSU, if you really love to go to engineering services, if you really love to go to IITs, my dear, effort should be countless. You shall give as maximum as you can give. My dear, when you are talking to your girlfriend, you never see the time you are talking for. You never count the number of hours you are talking for. You just talk up to maximum time, whatever you can give, even by leaving other necessary things. So my dear, that is the love we can say. So in love, things are going to be countless. So I have taken some bad example maybe, but this example is very easy to understand. That's why I have taken this. So my dear, as I said, it should be like as maximum as you can give, you shall give that, because whatever the examinations you have given till date, after every exam you have said one thing, thoda aur pad leta tho. I would score better if I got some more time, if I study some more. So my dear, just give one exam in that way, that you shall not repeat that statement that I wanted some more time. Just give one exam with your complete 100%. That exam is going to make your life for sure. So my dear, just try for that, that this should be an exam where you are giving your 100%. Okay, so let us move further, my dear. So as I said, now the types of questions which are coming in GATE examination. The very first question is MCQ, which everybody knows that you will be having 4 options. One of them will be correct, rest 3 will be wrong. And my dear, for that 1/3 is going to be negative marking. So 1/3 marks will be deducted for wrong answer in 1 mark question. 2/3 will be deducted, 2/3 means 0.66 marks will be deducted for 2 marks question. Second type of question is MSQ. They have been added in 2021. My dear, these are the special type of question where more than one option may be correct. Okay, like in one question maybe A, B, C, D all are correct, maybe B, C, D are correct, maybe A, C, D are correct. So this is going to be MSQ. This is going to be, my dear, some you can say life changing. Okay, this is going to be life changing event for GATE, because when MSQs will be coming, they are really be a very for student to attempt MSQ, because in MSQ if 4 options are correct and you are going to tick only 3, you will be getting 0 for that. There is no negative marking for MSQ, but marks will be 0 if you are missing any correct answer. Then third category is NAT. These are coming for maximum number of marks these days. So my dear, these are like fill in the blanks type. Okay, you need to answer, you need to write the answer up to 2 decimal or 3 decimal, but in these type of question, as options are not given, no negative marking is there for the wrong answer. But my dear, at the same time, there you cannot go for guesses as well. And my dear, the best thing about this type of question is, my dear, when they are not giving the values, like G is not given, if you are taking 10 in place of 9.81, your answer will go out of range, you will get 0 for that. So my dear, you need to take care of the things given in the question, because you need to use the data carefully. Asutosh, for administrative jobs, which competitive exams and how much score and rank is required? Dear, for that you need to go for civil services exam. You can go for SSC CGL examination, because in income tax and all, CGL examination is going to be valid there. Okay, so this is used for administrative examination. Okay, there are some other examination as well based on different departments as well as different organizations. Okay, so next we are going to say about the GATE pattern. So my dear, when we are talking about the pattern, in general aptitude you will be having 13 to 15% in different branches. For that 5 1 mark question, 5 2 marks question will be there. And here if I say English part is coming for 4 marks and aptitude is coming for 11 marks. Then engineering mathematics consists of 15 marks. It may come for 13 to 15 marks. And rest 70 to 72 marks are dedicated for technical. And in technical you will be getting technical plus mathematics. You will get 25 question of 1 mark each, 30 question of 2 mark each. Okay, so it will be having mathematics as well as core subjects. So this is something, the GATE examination pattern for you guys. This is how you need to perform. This is how you need to go. So guys, quickly like and share the session. I am showing you the GATE syllabus. Then we will be going for the order and the textbooks. And then I will be showing you the highest marks in the GATE examinations. Okay. Shirish, what's probability of getting full marks in MSQ? Dear, it is not like probability. It depends that how your technicals are. If you are conceptually strong, MSQ will be a question where you will love to solve it, because in MSQ if theory questions will come, your concepts will be checked. If even one concept of you is not correct, or you can say is not known to you, you will be not able to answer MSQ. But MSQ will be making the ranks for sure. Okay, they will be very crucial to get a good rank. How to recognize? Dear, for that in MCQ, if you will be ticking one option and when you will be going for some other option, first option answer will automatically be unticked. In MSQ, when you are going to tick for more than one, it will be feasible, obviously. Hai na? Yes. So guys, let us move further. So this is the syllabus for engineering mathematics. First of all, I am going to show you the syllabus for mechanical. Then we will be going for civil, electrical and electronics and computer science. I'll be showing you textbooks as well. So my dear, in mathematics, you can say linear algebra, matrix algebra, system of equation, eigenvalue, eigenvector, function of single variable, limit continuity, differentiability, mean value theorem, indeterminate form, evaluation of definite and improper double and triple integrals, partial derivative, total derivative, Taylor series. Then you can say, my dear, maxima, minima, Fourier series, gradient, divergence and curl, vector identities, directional derivative, line, surface and volume integral, and then application of Gauss, Stokes and Green's theorem. This is the first part, linear algebra, and my dear, it is also covering the calculus part as well. Okay, so first is linear algebra, second is calculus, and you will be getting one question from here, two questions from here, and then one question from differential equation, 1 to 2 question you can say. Sometime here 2 to 3 question you will be getting. Differential equation is first order linear and non-linear, higher order linear differential equation with constant coefficient, Euler-Cauchy equation, initial and boundary value problems, Laplace transform, solution of heat wave and Laplace equations. Then my dear, at the third part is complex variable. One question is coming here either from the residual or from the CR equation. Yes, Ashutosh Mishra, gate XC is used for IIT's MTech admission or NITI Mumbai admission. PSUs are not taking from XC paper. Shri Sir is okay, yes dear, you can go for that, but I would like to say for these subject I will be showing you the good textbook as well, so you just wait for that. Then probability and statistics when we are going to talk about, then random variables, binomial, these distributions are also becoming very, very important for the question part. Then numerical method in the last. Okay, here the more important is trapezoidal, Simpson rule, and if I say that yes, these are numerical solution of linear and non-linear algebraic equation. So here these are the important parts. And then I am coming to the design parts, mechanics and design part. Here my dear, the first subject is engineering mechanics, and here some topics are added in GATE 2021 which previously were not there in the syllabus. Like if I show you my dear, the belt, pulley, brakes, clutches, screw jack, wedges, vehicle, and these topics are new topics, and my dear, rest are the complete. Yes, then Lagrange is the new topic. So these are the topic added in 2021. Then this is the syllabus of SOM syllabus. There is nothing new. This was added in 2016. In 2016 syllabus was revised when it was testing was added, and I always used to teach this testing in the classes as well. Then my dear, after this you will be going for TOM. In TOM also syllabus was changed in 2016 when they have added the new topics like cam, gear, flywheels, governors, balancing and gyroscopes. Vibration is going to be very, very important. If I talk about weightages, my dear, for mechanics you can have 3 to 5 marks. For SOM you can have 6 to 8 marks. For TOM you can have 6 marks. For vibration you can have 6 marks. For machine design you can have 2 to 5 marks. These are the weightages. For machine design also syllabus is same. There is no change in the syllabus. From 2016 many changes were made. After that changes were not made much. Then third section is having fluid mechanics, 6 to 8 marks. Okay, the syllabus is more or less same in ME XC paper as well as for civil paper for fluid mechanics. At the same time for engineering services also the technical is more or less same. Okay, then my dear, heat transfer is coming for 6 marks in general. Here one question from conduction, other from convection radiation, third from heat exchanger. So likewise 6 marks, 4 questions are coming, 3 to 4. Thermodynamics is coming along with the application, 8 to 10 marks. Okay, here basic thermodynamics, refrigeration, power plant, IC engine, all the portions are covered. Okay, yes. Then turbo machinery I have already counted in the fluid mechanics. Then my dear, you are going for the most important part, production and industrial. It is most important because of its weightage, but obviously the content is also going to be more, no doubt about that. So first of all, material science. Material science, my dear, things added in 2016. Like before 2016 phase diagram was not in syllabus. It was added later on. Then casting, forming, joining. Material science will be coming for 1 to 2 marks. Casting, forming, joining, this part will be coming for 7 to 8 marks. Okay, this is more important. Machining part will be coming for 6 to 8 marks along with non-conventional machining. Okay, and sim part. Then last one is industrial, and industrial is this one. Industrial is also coming for 6 marks. So this is the weightage in technical parts I have given to you. Books I will be showing you right now, guys. So don't miss this session. These are the best books. For industrial, you can go for M. Mahajan. You can go for O.P. Khanna as well. For RAC, you have to go for C.P. Arora. For thermodynamics, P.K. Nag, Senjal are good ones. Power plant, P.K. Nag is enough for GATE syllabus. For engineering services, P.K. Nag is not enough. Okay, for that you need to go for Vakil. Foreign authorities. Okay, manufacturing technology, P.N. Rao is good for casting, welding and forming. Then Swadesh Singh is good for metrology. Okay, and for all part you need to go for Kalpak Jian. Then R.C. Hibler is going to be for strength of material. For material science, it should be William Callister. For fluid mechanics, it is Senjal once again. For theory of machine, it is S.S. Ratan. Okay guys, so these are the books. You can also go for Amitabh Ghosh if you can understand it. You can also go for Norton if you can understand it. So these are some good books from GATE point of view. For SMT, you can go for Senjal, you can go for Incorpora. Okay, you can go for Holman as well. These are good books. And for IC engine, you can go for Sharma, Mathur and Haywood also. Haywood is the best one. For machine design, you can go for VB Bhandari or Shigle or Norton as well. Okay, and my dear, these are the subjects. For vibrations. You can go for SS Rao, or as I already said, SS Ratan is also enough for vibration part. And at the last I will say Amitabh Ghosh. And one more is VP Singh. Any book you can follow. Very small topic vibrations is. Okay, I feel some doubt is coming from Robin Richard. For fluid mechanics, R.K. Bansal, dear, never use it for GATE paper. It is good for university exams, but for GATE ESC it is not a suitable one, because many times you will be getting confusion. Like when there are many things, I cannot tell this on this platform, but there are many mistakes which you shall not go for. So don't follow this book, guys. This is not a good one for GATE ESC paper. It is good one for your university exams only. R.C. Sachdeva is a good one. Even I will say R.C. Sachdeva is a kind of Hindi version of, you can say, the Senjal and all kind of books. Okay, R.C. Sachdeva is a good one. You can go for that. Okay, yes. But for FM, go for Senjal. Okay, or if you want Indian author, you can go for S.K. Som for FM. You can go for Modi and Seth for FM. These are good ones. For FM, you can go for these books if you want to go for Indian authors. Then for civil engineering, my dear, I am showing you the syllabus. Yes, I am from mechanical, so I am showing you other branches syllabus, but at the same time books also. So Gradeup also provide notes if used to study. The notes providing by is sufficient. Yes dear, they are definitely sufficient. At the same time, we as a faculty at Gradeup also provide many materials for that, and that plus Gradeup material is enough to get a single digit rank. Okay, for civil engineering, again the mathematics syllabus is more or less same, so we are not going to repeat it. Mechanics syllabus is very less here. Here you need to study only up to kinematics, dynamics is not there. SOM part is nearly same, fixed beams is also the part of this. Then after SOM you will be going for structure, then you will be going for construction, material and management, then you will be going for RCC, and my dear, after RCC you will be going for steel structure. Then third part is geotechnical. In this, soil is very important, coming for around 8 to 10 marks along with foundation. Then my dear, after that you are going to have fluid mechanics, hydraulics, and these are having some extra part like open channel flows and all, otherwise rest is same. Then hydrology and irrigation, these are in civil, not in mechanical. They are also coming for 4 to 5 marks. Then you are going for the fifth part, that is environmental. So in this, water and waste, water quality and treatment, air pollution, municipal solid waste, coming for 10 to 12 marks. Enviro is very important. Then transportation, Then highway, traffic engineering. This is sixth part. It is also coming for 10 marks, around 6 to 10 marks, I will say. Then geomatics covers the survey part. Survey part syllabus is slightly different in GATE ESC, but in survey also theory questions are coming in GATE as well. For hydraulic machine, dear, for hydraulic machine you can go for Jagdish Lal. Jagdish Lal. Dear, Vision batch 6 already have been launched. Now 7th batch will be coming in the next month. 6 batches are already launched. 7th will be coming in the next month. Okay, yes. So my dear, these are the books you can go for. Bhavi Katti for structure, BC Punamia, Ashok Kumar Jain for RCC, for steel, SK Dugal for soil. You can say this, Braja M. Das, and then for this foundation as well. For FM, I will say Jagdish Lal better than this. You shall go for Jagdish Lal. Jagdish Lal, Modi and Seth. Okay. Don't go for this. For hydrology, you can go for G. Subramanya. Irrigation, you can go for NN Basak. Then for these subjects also, you can say these are the books. For civil engineering. Is it fine, guys? Yes. And for operation research, dear M. Mahajan for industrial. Okay, you are going for. It will be covering all the topics of OR as well. Still, if you want to go for other book, OP Khanna is also a good one. And Buffa and Sarain also you can go for. Buffa and Sarain is also a good one. आशुतोष, इतने सारे बुक्स नहीं पढ़ नहीं सकते तो भैया फिर ग्रेडअप पे आपको बोला तो है कि आप ज्वाइन कर चुके हो तो आपको बुक पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो लोग सेल्फ स्टडी वाले कैंडिडेट है ना, उनके लिए है ये बुक्स. और जो लोग कोचिंग भी पढ़ रहे हैं पर उनको किसी किसी टॉपिक में सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं मिलता, उनके लिए ये बुक्स है. बुक्स सभी के लिए नहीं है. बुक्स दो तरह के लोगों के लिए, एक जो सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं, एक जिनको कुछ टॉपिक्स में ज्यादा जानना होता है, वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं होते, उन लोगों के लिए. Shirish and for okay, I have answered it. Asutosh, I have answered it. Mohi, okay. Teja KVP for solving Gradeup workbook questions for all subjects. Dear, that is very good enough, and you can go for quizzes and test series along with that. Mohit sir, 6 months are enough now for GATE if starting. Dear, but yes, if you are starting from scratch, 6 months are enough. But now 6 months you shall not be going slow. You have to work continuously. Now you do not have any extra time. Every float or slack is cancelled for you. Now you have only minimum time required. Opinions about PSU vacancies. Dear, I feel that vacancies may not be affected much after some time. Yes, maybe after privatization the working culture may be changed. Otherwise vacancies should increase, because when the things are going to be privatized, they are going to be expanded at much better speed. But yes, at the same time the working culture will be different. So maybe for that working culture you may not be that much attracted what you are right now due to government job. Okay. Sir, if we prepare FM, SOM and Thermo for XC, then how to decide during the exam? Dear, I will suggest you for SOM and Thermo, because if your mechanics is good, go for SOM and Thermo. If your mechanics is not good, go for FM and Thermo. Thermo should be always there. Paper is very easy for Thermo. Fine. Next is, guys, for electrical mathematics, syllabus is more or less same. Then electrical circuit you will be having. Then after that EMFT, then signal and system, electrical machine, that is high weightage subject for electrical peoples. There 4 parts are there. Transformer is there, DC is there, synchronous is there. Okay. And after that power system is going to be very important subject, 8 to 10 marks. Then control system, electrical and electronic measurement. Then it is going to be analog and digital electronics, and then power electronics. So these are the subjects and these are the textbooks. Okay, you can have these textbook. I will be sharing the PDFs for you so that you can see the name of textbook as well. Thanks. Okay, Mr. Anonymous. So these are the textbooks, guys. So I will be sharing you the PDF so that you can have all the names with you. No need to write right now. Okay. So these are the textbook names. Like for machines, you can have, for analog and digital, you can have this Morris Mano, Boylshed, Jacob Millman. Okay. This is the best one, I will say. I know all the best books name, but right now it will be good if you are going to get suggestion from your faculties of this branch. Then for electronics, once again mathematics syllabus is more or less same. Some extra parts are always there. Then network and signal system you will be having. After that, electronic devices, then analog circuits, digital circuits. Then after that, here some syllabus may be more. Then control systems, because for EC digital syllabus is more. Communication is not the common subject, it is for EC only. Then electromagnetics, this also have more syllabus for EC peoples. Then these are the textbook names. Syllabus of EC is lesser than EE. Likewise, the biggest syllabus is for civil engineering. Okay, yes, and hardest is for, I will say, ECEE, or you can say computer science peoples have very good level of paper. Okay, in GATE. Mechanical was also having previously, right now it is not. These are the books, my dear. If you want, you can also have the screenshots here. Okay, let us move further. I will be sharing the PDF for these names, because these names are available everywhere. This is a good one, as I already said. Yes. Then for digital, then for signals, then for control. No need to go for all the books. I am showing you what faculties are following. I am giving you the books which generally faculties are following. So then the last one is computer science. Here discrete mathematics is the extra part. Rest is going to be more or less same. Okay, then digital logic. Then you are having computer organization, COA. Then programming and data structure, algorithm, theory of computation, compiler design, operating system, database management system. And after that, the computer network. So there are 10 systems. These are the textbooks you can see. Okay. So I'm not wasting more time, because these books name are available everywhere. These are what the faculties are majorly following. And now I am coming to the highest marks obtained. Highest marks obtained table is slightly, yes, Akhil, I have shown for CSC, and I will be sharing the PDF if you want. Even if you want to take the screenshot, you can take it. Even if you want to take the screenshot, you can take it. I have done it for all the branches. Okay, yes. So guys, now we are going for the highest marks. So you can see for mechanical, the highest marks in 2019 were this one, in 2020 were this one, and 2021 is this one. Highest marks is because of the easy paper. Okay, yes. Then for civil engineering, 87.7, 90 and 95.56. Then for electrical, paper are coming very easy nowadays. That's why very high marks. For EC, paper is coming tough in general, so marks are relatively lesser. For computer science, these are the highest. So now more or less in every branch, 85 is going to be crossed. Okay. At our time, not more than 65 marks were coming. At our time, before 2011, I will say 65 were the highest marks. The reason was the tough level of the paper. Yes, number of candidates were also less, and our target was more towards accuracy rather than completing the complete syllabus, because level of questions was hard. Now the level of question is easy, but they are asking too much. Okay, yes. So guys, let us move further. Now this is for you can say the cutoff marks. 34 marks in 2019, 34 2020, 33 21 for mechanical. For civil, cutoff is slightly on the lower side. For double, it is on higher side because paper was quite easy, but not this year. For EC, it was 26.7, 28.8, 25. This year is quite less. For computer science, also less. So for mechanical, always it is going to be at higher sides. Now the number of candidates. In 2019, they were 1,67,000. 2020, 1,37,000. 2021, 1,20,000. So obviously, number of candidates are in reducing trend, because nowadays engineering is preferred by less number of people. Like things are like that. Somewhere they are taking the peak, they are going down. Now it will again be going for a peak, again down. Nowadays, people are more opting for NEET rather than IIT JEE, because the vacancies are lesser for engineers, more for doctors in the country. In our country, doctors are very less if we find out per number of peoples, one doctor. If you count, it is very less as compared to other countries. Okay, yes, so peoples are more going for NEET. For civil, 1,45,000, 1,25,000, 1,15,000. You can see mechanical is always at the higher side than other branches. Then 1,12,000 for electrical, 93,000, 87,000. Okay, they are quite less for EC, 1,83,000, 80,000. Then for computer science, they are in increasing trend. It is more than 1 lakh. Okay, yes, so this is the core mechanical field, mechanical faculty team. Okay, yes, so guys, actually I am having one more session at 8 p.m. So we are completing it fastly. This is the top 10 ranks for GATE 2021 who have used Gradeup, and after that I will be going for Gradeup Super, where you will be getting structured live courses and green card. Structured live course will be covering the live classes as well as recording for all the batches, all the papers, like for GATE, for ESC, for PSUs like HPCL, HAL, like ISRO, DRDO, BARC. Separate batches are there for all examination. ESC paper 1 is different. Okay, then my dear, this consists of the test series of all those examination. The best thing is you are getting the test series for all examination with only one green card. You need not to go for different test series differently. That is something about this. This is the contact number for any admission related inquiry. You can go for this. So my dear, under Gradeup Super you are getting these things. Okay, so download the Gradeup app, follow me there, and if you will be, yes, RN Gaming, hello dear, Subodh, hi. So guys, this is all about your exam. So I have given you all information about your exam. We will be coming for the same session for engineering services as well in soon. Okay, so guys, get ready for those kind of sessions. Karan, hello dear, yes. So guys, I will say now, please download the Gradeup app, follow me there. We are always coming with a free series every day. One session will be there with all the faculties. So 5 to 6 sessions are going on daily basis. The app for all the branches. Okay, and you can also please like and share the session before leaving the session. Hardik Gadwal, good evening dear. So here I am leaving the session guys, and goodbye for this session. If you are preparing for engineering services 2021, I am going to take a session at 8 p.m. on Gradeup Gate Mechanical Marvels channel. That is going to be for project management. We will be solving some 15 to 20 questions today. So goodbye once again guys. Thanks for joining. Please like, share the session before leaving the session. And once again, thanks for your wonderful love and support. We will soon be meeting for other sessions as well. Okay, so goodbye guys for the timing. Once again, goodbye. IITM online degree with college degree do have managed. Dear, you can definitely manage the GATE. Do just one thing when you are going to have the GATE preparation. Give more time. Give more time during the holidays like Saturday, Sunday, public holiday for the GATE preparation. Okay, so you have to give more time for the GATE preparation during holidays part. Okay, so you need to make a balance. When exams are there for colleges, give more time there, otherwise for GATE. Dear Asutosh, like GATE mechanical paper is there, similar to that GATE XC paper is there. So GATE XC is going to be another GATE paper which you can give along with mechanical. Like on one weekend you will be going for mechanical, on other weekend you will be giving GATE XC paper. Okay, fine. Goodbye guys. Thanks for joining once again. ESC 22 टाइम पर होगा, बिल्कुल नहीं लगता डियर. अभी तो 21 नहीं हुआ तो 22 की बात क्या करें, पहले 21 पूरा होगा. देखो ESC में क्या है, जब तक ESC 21 की कार्यवाही पूरी नहीं होगी तब तक 22 नहीं होगा. ESC में ऐसा नहीं है कि 21 की कार्यवाही पूरी नहीं हुई और 22 हो गया, नहीं, पहले 21 पूरा होगा फिर 22 होगा. थैंक्स श्रियांशु. ओके, गुड बाय गाइस. वंस अगेन थैंक्स गाइस.